This is how I transformed my torn E46 seats into these Alpina spec ones. I started by sourcing some Alpina material, and then I bought a passenger seat from a E46 that's being turned into a drift car. The reason why I bought a passenger seat is because they're usually in better condition than the driver's seat because they have less wear. And I'm going to use the leather from the passenger seat to fix the leather on my driver's seat, as my current passenger seat was already in good condition. This is really loose. There you go. That's it for that. I hope they get these upholstered soon and then reinstall. Once I had the seats disassembled, I gave them to my friend Phyllis and she started sewing in the Alpina material. Make sure to check out the links to her socials in the description down below. Now that we have all the sewing done, it's time to reassemble the seats, and that includes a lot of hog rings, so make sure you have a good hog ring plier set. And here is the finished product. Now let's reinstall them back in the vehicle. Okay, for the last time. And here are the seats installed. About 50 hours of labor. I'll also need to reupholster the steering wheel into an Alpina spec one. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of these seats. Thanks for watching.